Hi again. I hope you're doing well. Welcome to the third strategy that I am going to talk about. The strategy name is supply and demand zone plus pin bar. First of all, I should tell you, especially for those who are not that much experienced about supply and demand zone and pin bar. Then I'm going to talk about it. So, if you can remember, we said that when the price is moving like this, you know, when it makes places like these zones, so we say this zone acts as resistance, or whenever it comes to this zone, people are ready to sell. So we say this place or this zone is called supply zone. Okay? And whenever the price, for example, comes to this zone, people start to buy. So this zone is called demand zone. So this is the price, and this zone, this place is called supply zone, and this zone is called demand zone. When the price comes to demand zone, there are many buyers, and when it comes to supply zone, there are many sellers. How can we understand them? I have explained in my price action course for Forex and indices. Well, you can go and learn there easily, or you can just Google easily to understand. But I want to talk about it very short and brief. I would say when we have more than one reaction, one, two. So this place can act as a resistance and as a supply zone. And when I have, for example, more than two reactions, one, two, and three to this zone, it is called demand zone. Okay? So I have explained about supply and demand zone completely. But now what is pin bar? Let me just erase all the things. I just want to explain about pin bar. I don't know, you have learned about candles before or not, or you participated in the courses. We have just candlestick theories, and in this theory says when we have price in, for example, candlestick of 1 minute. So this is the lowest amount of price in 1 minute. This is the highest amount. This is, for example, opening, and this is called closing, or vice versa. No difference, okay? But what kind of candles are pin bars? I want to say these places are called shadow, okay? These places are called shadows. When the candle has a long shadow, no difference. It could be like this, or it could be like this. So these two are called pin bar, okay? And we should go to understand what I mean by this strategy. When it comes to supply and demand zone, and I see pin bar, I open my positions after that. Okay, I should erase this part completely. Now look at this one. Okay, I want to show you, this one. If you can see that there is a candle which is called pin bar, okay? And if you can see, this is the supply zone. When I see that, the price reacted first time Second time, I just extend this like I did. And after that, I look for the places I could go for sell because I know this zone acts as supply zone. All right. Now, I have seen this candle. And after that, if you are a risk taker, uh, you can easily open your position after the pin bar. If you are risk avoider, you can wait for another candle, which could be, for example, bearish. Then you could open your position here and take your profit up to this zone. And in this way, you can earn a lot of money. So imagine that you enter here. You should put your stop here, and this is TP1 and this is TP2. You can easily take two TPs. Then after two TP, I just make my position risk free, and uh, I don't make it risk free. And after TP2, I try to close my positions myself, or the TP I set can close my position. What is the meaning of risk-free? I just want to explain it for a little bit inexperienced traders who are here. This was my stop loss, okay, SL, which I put that I say if the price goes higher, so please stop, and I don't want to be in this position anymore. Okay, when this is my entrance, okay, E. And this is TP number 1, this is TP number 2. When the price gets to this zone and I can take, for example, first TP, I just move my stop loss to here. When the stop loss is here and my entrance is here, anyway, I can close this position with profit. Then, for example, after getting TP number 2, you can put your stop loss here. And then if there is TP number 3, you can change your TP to number 2. Sorry, a stop loss. I'm sorry. Stop loss to number 2, and just move your stop loss. And this way can make your trades risk-free. And I myself don't do that. In fast scalping, it doesn't work. In fast scalping, you open and close the position maximum in 10 to 15 minutes. But what you see is the diagram for gold, and what you see, the time frame is 5 minutes. Okay, so after closing the position here, imagine that you closed it. Then again, you should wait for another signal. Okay, so you can wait for another signal. If you want to go for buy, if you can remember, we had the same size legs. Okay, 1, 2. So after these 1, 2, 3, 4 candles, the same color, you can wait for breakout, and you could go for another leg. And you know that the price is trying to make itself close to this zone again. Anyway, but you can say, okay, I'm amateur, I'm not that professional, and I just want to wait for the next signal. For the next signal, you can see another pin bar. You see this one? It is something like this. Okay? And the color is red. It is what you see here. Okay? And after that, there is a candle, the same color, and you can enter here easily and put your stop here, TP number 1 and TP number 2 easily. Okay, don't forget, if you want to put your stop loss could be a little higher than this, pin bar, because you should calculate a spread, and you should calculate the commission and the other things that I explained it in my price action course. All right, this is about supply and demand zone. We have just talked about supply, and now I want to show you more examples about demand zone. So look at this one. This is the two currencies, Euro, USD, and from this point, I just see that it acts as a good support, and I just extend it, and the same to all places. For example, here I just extend it. I just see the places and the zones, easily. Anyway, I don't want to talk about this zone now. I just want to talk about this one. So you see that there was a kind of historical, support here and demand zone. Anyway, and this is just 1 minute, okay? The diagram, the chart shows just 1 minute. It's not that much long. This amount is maybe some hours, not more than some hours. Anyway, when you see this candle, pin bar, something like this, okay? After watching this and the first candle, which is green and the same size, you could go for buy and put your stop here. And this is TP number 1, this is TP number 2, and this is 3, 4. And if you want to open your position, that I don't recommend it. After TP number 2, I just close my position myself because it's enough for me. This is the way that you can do scalping and fast scalping. Okay, now let's go to see the other examples in the market and real market. I should just stop the video here because I don't want to make it longer, and in the next video you will see some more examples from the market, from this strategy, which is supply and demand zone plus pin bar, which is a perfect strategy. Okay, have fun for now.